My name is Curly Sue. When I was a teenager, it sticks with me like forever. It's healing. With all that lack of tobacco, it's healing. Because your tongue tells you your health. So I'm going to wait a while to pierce the other two. Because I want to quit drinking so fucking much. I want to quit drinking so fucking much. That's why I said the psychiatrist today, too. I said a lot of things. I was like, I have no self-esteem. Like, when I look at another person, it's just like, flop. I can't go to work. I will be able to eventually, though.